Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Write Opera and simply press search. You can add browser also if you want. So we want to install this browser, so I'm just gonna press install. When it's ready, select open. Continue. You can customize the settings, but I'm just gonna allow it. And from here we can already start using our browser. You can change the theme, so it will basically change the color of your browser, and press done when you've selected one that you like. So now let's just open any website, for example Google, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.